I really am wondering how on earth people are surviving.
Living off-grid, we've managed to escape most household bills. We're mortgage-free, collect and filter rainwater to avoid water rates, and have installed a solar power system to avoid electricity bills. However, over the past few months our food bills have gone up considerably. Because of this, all other projects have been put on hold while we build our polytunnel, install raised beds, and begin to grow our own food. This has always been something we wanted to do. But with the soaring food prices and the UN stating that a food crisis may be on the way, it has never been more important than it is now.
Hi guys, so we were looking at the cost of living, and it's quite shocking actually how much things cost. And we're fortunate because we've got our own utilities, we've got our own energy, and we have our own water sorted, but it's not costing us anything. So we really need to look at food, because me and Rachel went to the shops the other day and our food bill was astronomical. I mean, not just food, but just everything. Nappies for children, cleaning products. But we can do something about our food. We're fortunate enough to be able to grow our food, and good food is at a premium. And we want to eat healthy, and we want our children to eat healthy. So it is a worry. You know, we were talking to a farmer the other day, and he was saying that last year a tonne of fertiliser was under £300. It's now £1,000. And that crop hasn't even grown yet. Once that crop has grown, what are we going to be seeing in the shops? How much is that going to cost us for our food? And I've got a load of lettuce here and a load of spinach here, 4x8 beds, and it was about £4. These seeds were about £2. These seeds were about £2, and for the amount that you can grow is massive. We're doing. My mum and dad are having them. My wife's mum is having salad now. If we can keep them supplied in it, and we were eating it every day, and there's still more. We just can't sort of pick it quick enough. So. But it's trying to find that balance of how much you can get out of an area, and we don't know. We don't know how good things are going to do, or not yet. We're not experienced enough at it. But this is really good. So what we've got going here at the moment is really good. And you know what you pay for a bag of leaves now is it's a lot of money. You know, especially anything organic. So we're lucky, and you know, gardeners have never been more needed. So try and do a bit of growing, and hopefully you can save a bit of money, and there's always something there to eat. So yeah, people that know how to grow food are really needed, because we're too used to using expensive fertilisers and pesticides, and if it's going to get so expensive, maybe we need to have smaller plots where people are more hands-on doing that job, and just eat healthy for it in the long run as well. We're growing comfrey and nettles, so the comfrey and the nettles are brilliant for making feed, and we'll make a lot more so that we can feed through the winter. Obviously they die down in the winter, so we can't pick the leaves. You know, we're going to try and do that the organic route. I don't like to go down the prepper route too much, because sometimes you can end up sounding a little bit bonkers, but actually being a bit prepared can be quite good, you know, especially when it gets expensive. I mean, when you see how people go on when the toilet roll starts to run out, imagine if it was food, and you do start to think, you know, I wouldn't be bothered. I would just use, when it was toilet roll, I thought, well, why are people going mad over toilet roll? I've just got like some soft leaves here. It's not really a problem. It wouldn't bother me that much. You're not going to starve from lack of toilet roll. But yeah, I don't want to be alarmist, because it'll generally be all right. It's just going to get perhaps expensive, and there's going to be a lot of people. There's going to be a lot of people struggling.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share makes it all